This is a quick guide to using temporary code blocks in your Scratch project. If you find yourself working on a Scratch project and your stage becomes cluttered and your sprite is no longer centered, you may want to tidy things up a bit. You can see the messy results of running the various code blocks created in the coding of the project so far. Additionally, the sprite is no longer centered and will most likely start drawing off the stage. Here is my tidy up code. The Go to Motion block recenters the sprite, and the Erase All Pen block clears the screen. To run this block of helper code, simply left-click on it. You can easily adapt this code as you continue writing your program. Let's add the pen down block. This way we are assured that our pen will be ready to draw. Once you have completed your program, you may want to tidy it up by deleting the helper code. Simply drag the helper code off to the right and drop it in the block palette, like so.